back to another video. Today we have new tools coming out for Bauer. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I basically just made a video about the Hercules, but you know what? I've been doing a little bit of research here on the Bauer, looking at all the pictures that are up, and it looks like we're having some more new tools coming out for Bauer. So let's take a quick look here. I will post the photos that I have, see if you guys could see them clear. Unfortunately, that's the clearest I can get it. So I'll see if the pictures are clear, or if not, then we'll just we'll leave them out. Anyways, here to start, I don't know if you guys could see. It looks like we do have a job site blower here. But you know, beside the job site blower, you got a vacuum. I don't know what this looks like to you guys, but to me it looks like a Joby vacuum with the two big wheels on the sides and a third wheel on the front. It looks like you got the hose, and then you got the attachments here on the top. So that's one of the tools that are going to be released. I would say this is a 20 volts battery, or a dual powered, just like the Hercules, a dual powered vacuum. Alright, just below it you got the compressor. We heard that the compressor was coming out, so obviously that's the compressor. Alright, let's look a little bit below. It looks like we got a heat gun here, and then we have like a hot glue gun, so you guys see there. And then if we see below here, we got the sanders, we got some polishers here. We got a smaller polisher and then a bigger one. But if you guys look closely down here, right beside the angle grinder, you guys are gonna see a multi-tool. Basically it's a 20 volt battery powered multi-tool. And then just right beside it, you're gonna have the single hand, or the single hand reciprocating saw, like the smaller reciprocating saw. Looks like that's gonna be a new tool. And then we got the regular reciprocating saws here. It seems like we got two different ones. Maybe we're gonna see a brushless and a regular. We already have the regular, I believe, so maybe we're gonna see a brushless. We got the bandsaw to the right, but you know what? Up above, guess what we have? We have a 6-port battery charger. So we got, it looks like it does have a handle to the right, and it does have 3 batteries on this side, and it looks like it has batteries on the back too. So I would say it's a total of 6, if I'm not wrong. And then here to the left, we got the big battery, maybe an 8 amp hour battery. Then we got the 5 and the 2, or the 3. So one of these. And from the looks of it, we just have the regular drills here. We got the impact driver, hammer drill, and regular drill. Then we got the right angle drill there. Nothing else catch my attention. If you guys see anything else that's new on this picture, let me know down in the comment section. Or if you're waiting for one of these tools, let me know down in the comment section which tool is the one you're waiting for, or if you like this platform, or if you don't like this platform. Let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, these are like I said, I've been, ever since the Hercules picture came out, I've been trying to dig new pictures here from Bauer, and it seems like I found this picture on a clip here from Bauer Build Your Own Kit and Save $20. This is the Harbor Freight YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out. Obviously, I'm going to give credits to Harbor Freight's YouTube channel for this picture. But I just wanted to, touch base on some of the tools that were expected to see hopefully soon. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.